Hi everyone. Before I begin my speech today, I just kind of wanted to pop in and let you guys know that about halfway through my speech, I do discuss sexual assault. But that being said, here is my persuasive speech. The City Council of Lubbock, Texas has recently passed a policy that outlaws abortion. This deems the city a sanctuary for the unborn. Since the opening of our Lubbock clinic, the ordinance process began speeding up. Lubbock City Council states that they want to be considered a sanctuary for the unborn, as they believe that an abortion at any stage of pregnancy is considered a murder. Today, I will be discussing with you why Lubbock should not have this ordinance in place. This ordinance affects Planned Parenthood in many different negative ways. Though our clinic here in town does not provide the actual procedure, they do provide referrals for the procedure to happen. It is important for women to have access to health care and resources that they may need at any point in time. Planned Parenthood is an outlet for these kinds of resources, and this policy stops that. Today, I'll be discussing what encompasses this policy, who is being affected by this ordinance, and finally, the resources that Planned Parenthood has to offer outside of abortions. First, I would like to discuss the information that makes up the abortion ordinance itself. After a 62-38% final vote, the City of Lubbock has passed the abortion ordinance. This means that Lubbock has officially begun considering themselves a sanctuary for the unborn. This means that women will not have access to abortion at any stage of pregnancy for any reason at all, unless the mother is in some level of danger. If a woman is in financial struggle, has been raped, is underage, or simply has no future with children, she will have to carry out the pregnancy. Abortion in the state of Texas is considered an unlawful medical procedure. So, in addition, this means that if an abortion were to occur, it would be considered murder. There is up to a $2,000 fine per violation, and from there, it is based off of the Texas laws. Planned Parenthood is a clinic where someone can go to receive viable health care. Contrary to popular belief, Planned Parenthood focuses on the health of anyone, regardless of gender. This means that this policy can affect anyone. Even if it's not you, it could be a family member or a friend. Planned Parenthood goes above and beyond in healthcare. They provide healthcare regardless of health insurance coverage. They provide sexual education and STD/STI testing for anyone. They also provide testing for all kinds of cancer, including breast, cervical, testicular, and other like cancers. An individual can also gain access to several different forms of birth control, no matter what their gender is. Today, we discuss what this policy could mean for those seeking resources and how this could affect the future of Planned Parenthood. This ordinance places Planned Parenthood in a pool full of risks. It is so important to give women resources and for us to educate each other on how we can be better. It is important to gather information and understand what entails policies like these. Though it may not seem like it, this could affect anyone. I hope you all walk away today with a better understanding of what this policy means and how it can affect you and those around you. Thank you.